Okay, let's have a look at the answers to these puzzles. First, let's tackle the easy one. Mate in 1 for white, and there are two things you should notice about this position. One is the long-range bishop. The other is that the white rook is ready to attack the black king as soon as the white bishop moves away. Discovered attacks like this are dangerous, but we should always make the most of them. What is the best place to move the white bishop? Well, because of the other bishop, the black king can only move to one square. A7. What happens if we move our bishop to attack that square? The rook on B1 gives check, and the two bishops do a great job together trapping the black king. And none of the black pieces can block the rook check, so it's checkmate. White to play and mate in 2, and the black king is going to try to escape towards the corner. First here, then here, so we have to stop the black king getting to f7. There's no way of giving check along this diagonal. There are two ways of giving check and stopping the black king escaping to f7. The first way is to take the bishop with the queen. But black will take the queen, and this definitely won't work. Can you spot the other way? The white knight gives check, and stops the black king escaping to f7. Black can't take the knight, so the king has to move to e7. Can you spot the checkmate move? Let's have a close look at why this is checkmate. There are three ways to get out of check. One way is to block the check, but you can't block a knight check because knights can jump, so let's try the second way, taking the piece that is giving check. The only black piece attacking the white knight is the pawn on e6. Can this pawn take the knight? No, this pawn is pinned to the black king by the white rook on e1. The only other way out of check is to move the king. Let's look at the squares one by one going clockwise, starting with d8. Friendly piece, can't go there. Attacked by the knight, can't go there. Another friendly piece, can't go there. Attacked by the knight, can't go there. Attacked by the other knight, can't go there. Another friendly piece, can't go there. Defended by the bishop, can't go there. And finally, another friendly piece, can't go there. So the black king can't move anywhere. It's checkmate. Okay, this is the hard position, and right now the black king is being annoying. By defending this pawn on f7, it stops the white queen coming in to attack. White would love to get the queen here. Can we find a way to deflect the black king away from this pawn? We could try moving our rook here. Let's see what happens. Black has two choices. The black king could leave the pawn and take the rook, or it could move to any of these squares still defending the pawn. Try to work out what white will do if the black king moves to any of these squares. It doesn't matter which square black chooses. So let's go back and see what happens if black takes the rook. Now with the pawn on f7 unguarded, the white queen can attack. The black king has to choose between h6 and h8, but it doesn't matter which. The white pawn on f4 blocks the only chance of escape.